students, this is Mr. Schulke. I'm going to record a quick tutorial on how to send an email. I see some of you guys sending messages with a few things wrong with them, and I want to clarify that right now because we're going to be doing quite a bit of communicating via email now and in the future. So it's an important thing for you to know. First of all, in this message, this is just via Gmail. So this is probably what you guys will be using to send emails for right now. So we have three parts here: the to line, the subject line, and the body of the email. So in the to line, that's where you type whoever this message is going to. So I'm going to type my email address, jschulke. Now this will pop up. Don't click it. Don't click it. That's my Gmail account. That's where all the notifications about Google Classroom go to. I don't use it. I don't check it very much. It's not the right email address to get a message to me. So what you should do is type jschulke, jschulke at turlock, turlock, .k12.ca.us. Now, the subject line. Do not type a complete sentence here. Don't type your whole question here. Don't type any more than a few words here. The subject line is where I can see really quickly what your email is about. Just a very brief overview of what your email is about. So if your question is, Mr. Schulke, I tried to log into Edpuzzle and do the assignment that you posted and it won't let me log in and I think I need a class code. Can you help me? Don't type that all here. Type Edpuzzle class access or something very concise. Concise. Remember, the word concise, this word, means using as few words as possible to say the same thing, to get the same idea across with very few words. Concise. Okay? And that's how you want your subject to be. A very brief idea of what your whole email is about. Then when you come down here to the body, this is where you write your letter. And that's what an email or an electronic mail is. It is a letter. So we should start it off the same way we write a letter. Dear Mr. Schulke. And then explain your problem. I am having trouble accessing the Edpuzzle assignment which you posted yesterday. When I try to open it, I am being asked for a class code. Can you help? Thank you. Now, this first sentence is a declarative statement, so it ends in a period. The second sentence, declarative statement, it ends in a period. This third sentence is a question, so it ends in a question mark. I wouldn't be pointing that out if I hadn't already in the last 24 hours seen that people are not doing that correctly. Okay? This is lower grammar school level stuff. Pay attention to how you're writing. So this is all grammatically correct. Capitalization, grammar, punctuation. All of it needs to be right. And then we end with something like regards, which means like my warmest regards to you. I hope you're doing well. Or a really good thing to say when closing a letter to a teacher or a boss is respectfully. And then sign your full name. This is a very good email to send. So I hope that clarifies a few things. What goes up here, use this email address to send stuff to me. And the subject line, just a few words, not your whole question. Your whole question goes down here in the format of a letter. Capitalization, punctuation, grammar, and spelling matter. Formatting it like a letter. matters. I hope that helps, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.